Plaza Park in Visalia, California is beautiful any time of the year, and the city is currently rebuilding the duck pond. The Treaster Pond Restoration Project started in November 2024 and will be completed in late spring 2025. Treaster Pond is home to a large flock of mixed species ducks, many of whom are flightless and none of whom have the ability to simply migrate away from the only home they've ever known. Since the fences went up in November, over a half dozen of the ducks have died from stress or in some cases being stuck in the mud until they starved or died from dehydration. The pond had to be pumped out and it has to have time to dry. All of the Canada geese, wood ducks, and other ducks that could fly escaped to a survivable habitat, but the remaining flightless birds have been trapped in the enclosure for months. Ducks unlucky enough to accidentally escape from the enclosure then find themselves circling the fences all night trying to get back in. It's utterly untrue that these ducks have free range. They have all learned the hard way not to go outside the fence. The problem is a lack of water inside the fence. The city of Visalia has pumped out the pond and it's cleaning up the puddles while not providing any type of drinking water for the ducks trapped inside. It doesn't take a wildlife biologist to certify that ducks trapped in an enclosure should not be reduced to drinking out of a mud puddle. This is a life-threatening situation for these ducks that goes well beyond inhumane. Myself and others will be installing some wading pools in Plaza Park for the ducks, and we'll be maintaining those pools for the benefit of the ducks, since the city of Visalia doesn't have the ability to provide a humane environment for these ducks. If you're interested in getting more involved with helping the prison ducks of Plaza Park, then please join the Friends of Plaza Park Facebook group at www.sequoiauav.com/FOPPFB. That's sequoiauav.com/FOPPFB. I intend to establish and maintain an actual nonprofit Friends of Plaza Park and sponsor it through my business, Sequoia UAV. Starting next week, all my books and other products on Amazon.com will reflect that part of the proceeds goes to the Friends of Plaza Park, and we'll be making a contribution from every aerial video, web marketing, or video production job that we run also. Things do not have to be this way.